At ProTrainings, we've launched an award scheme. So the idea is that if you know somebody who's had to do first aid or has been very involved in any health and safety matter, something that's outstanding, gone and used their skills that they've learnt and actually help save a life or reduce accidents, we have a range of ProTrainings awards and anyone can nominate anybody. The way the awards work is you go online and you can just register, and you need to give the details of the person, what they've actually done and why you're nominating them for the award. So for example, it may well be an instructor could be nominating someone who has taught someone CPR and then they've had to do CPR for real, or they've had to deal with a catastrophic bleed or something where they've gone beyond the normal scope of working and actually used their skills. The awards are available in different subjects. We have first aid ones, we have awards for health and safety, general awards, and they're completely free. So the award could also be for an instructor who's taught you and they've gone an exceptional lengths to help you throughout your training course. So remember, the ProTrainings Awards are completely free, so just go to the website on the screen and nominate the person you wish to receive one of the new ProTrainings Awards.